Ho, ho, my lovelies! Welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Last week, boys and girls, you did this beautiful depiction of our Blessed Mother as Our Lady of Guadalupe. And boys and girls, oh my goodness, some of you all did some wonderful work and you sent that to me. And definitely you will be getting a special certificate with my own painting on it. This week, boys and girls, we are going to draw a very special saint that you know him as someone else, but yeah, he's normally referred to during Christmas time, and that's Saint Nicholas. So boys and girls, let's get started with the drawing. So Saint Nicholas, we're going to start with this tall hat that the bishop normally wears, like that. And then it has another one coming like that. And then it goes like that. And then, yeah, so Santa Claus, boys and girls, he was born, Saint Nick, I should say, was born to a very wealthy family, and they brought him up in the Christian life and to be a very good, pious child of God. And the parents died at when Nicholas was very young age. You know, he was big enough in his teenage years, and they died of a plague very similar to, you know, the plague that's going around now, isn't it, the COVID? But anyway, people are dying of this COVID disease. Well, it was the same, something similar in those days. And yeah, so Saint Nick grew up with a very strong Christian background of caring and sharing, especially for the poor. And the parents were very wealthy. They had a lot of money, and they left Nicholas with a considerable amount of money. And so Saint Nick, as I said, he was a young lad growing up, and he wanted a purpose in his life. And that purpose was basically to serve God the best that he could, you know. So this is the bag. He's holding the bag that I'm going to tell you a story about in a minute. Yeah, so he heard about a man who had 3 daughters, and in those days, when you wanted to get married, you needed to have money. So this man, because he had no means of providing for his daughter, because he lost everything, he was in financial ruin, and he just could not provide for his daughters. So when Nicholas heard about that, and if the daughters did, you know, usually in that era, when you didn't have money to provide, the family members, the daughters, would end up in the streets. So he, Saint Nicholas wanted to do an act of charity for this family. So what he did, he waited till it was like in the midnight hour, the dead of the night, where nobody could see him, and he decided to send put some gold coins in a bag and send it through a window so that the girls, well, the father would be able to give to his daughters. So when he did that, when they found that, they were so happy because they were able to get married, and well, one of them would get married, and they would not end up in the streets, like what would happen in those days, So they were so happy, and Saint Nick didn't want anybody to know about his generosity. So, it was very anonymous. He didn't want nobody to know. And so when he heard about the daughters getting married using that money and how grateful they was, he decided that he was going to do the same thing, go in the dead of the night and send some money for the other two daughters, and they too got married as well. And they the father wanted to know who was this person who had such generosity to assist him. And so when he stayed up in the night, and then he caught Saint Nicholas, but Saint Nicholas promised him not to tell anybody because he wanted to remain to be quiet. He didn't want nobody to know. So what happened, all three daughters got married, and that's what Santa, he also loved children, and he was known for giving gifts to children, and stuff. But his most famous act of kindness was for this man who had three daughters, and they needed money to get married. So boys and girls, this is the lovely picture of Saint Nick. Oh, I forgot one important thing right here to indicate that his Christianity. We're going to draw a lovely cross like that. There we go. And that's the lovely depiction of Saint Nick, dressed in red, and he had a white beard, just like how we know Santa today. So boys and girls, let's pray for Saint Nick for his intercession, that because he loves children, and if you have anything that you need, any help, you can ask Saint Nicholas to intercede for you, because he was a very pious man. He loved God with all his heart, and a lot of miracles occurred during his time. And the relics, there was a story where people went to steal his the relics of him so that they can get more tourists, and like a money making thing. And anyway, people who did that, they were got caught, so they did not get away with it. So boys and girls, please, I'd love you to share your picture of Saint Nicholas with me. And this is the last video in the school year, but I will be uploading other videos, so you can certainly tune in, on my channel, and you will get some lovely work that you can practice during the holidays. So boys and girls, I'd love to see your work, and let me take this opportunity in wishing you a Merry Christmas and a happy and prosperous New Year. God bless you, boys and girls, and I'll see you in the new year. Bye. Congratulations to the following students who are featured in my YouTube channel. You'll be receiving this certificate soon. And congratulations to the students featured here with a rainbow star sticker. You will be receiving a special certificate with a copy of my original Marian painting for your lovely artwork of our Blessed Mother Mary for Holy Mary Week. Hip, 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 hooray!
Miss Burnett, this is everything I did with my mom. We only tried to do it on Sunday and we completed it. I hope you like it. Thank you.